Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to Halal Talk Show, where we review restaurants, dishes, and brands to help you make informed halal choices. Today's topic is halal Korean fried chicken. Review and halal check. Korean fried chicken has become extremely popular around the world, but the question for us is it truly halal? Halal Korean fried chicken restaurants typically serve fried chicken wings, drumsticks, boneless chicken, and sandwiches with a variety of sauces such as spicy, garlic, or sweet chili. Many also offer sides like fries, coleslaw, and rice dishes. The flavor is rich, crispy, and satisfying, which is why it has become a favorite among food lovers. Now, let's talk about the halal status. Many halal Korean fried chicken outlets openly advertise as halal, and the meat is claimed to come from halal certified suppliers. Restaurants that are Muslim owned or provide clear halal certification are generally safe to trust. The community feedback often confirms that the food is prepared according to halal guidelines. However, as always, we need to verify before consuming. The word halal on the sign or menu does not guarantee authenticity. Ask the staff about their meat suppliers and certification to ensure there is no doubt. Cross-contamination with non-halal ingredients, like alcohol-based sauces, is also something to check for. So the verdict: halal Korean fried chicken is generally halal if proper certification is shown and Muslim ownership is confirmed. Always verify before eating to stay sure. Now I'd like to hear from you. Have you tried halal Korean fried chicken? Did the restaurant provide halal certification? And what's your favorite sauce or dish? Share your thoughts in the comments below to help the community. And don't forget to like this video, share it with friends and family, and subscribe to Halal Talk Show for more halal reviews and food guidance. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.